say easier on the camera.
Oh, there it is. I can't do mine. How do I do mine?
You see them power flashes?
Yep.
Look.
Our power's getting ready to go out. I lit all the candles already. There it is. There he is. No, looks like something blown away.
Oh, look what I did. I just made it go back.
I don't see it anymore.
Oh, no, it went back up now.
Oh, it's still there. It says it's on Main Street.
Oh, no, it looks like some more are coming down.
Where's Michael at?
I think he's here in Rose Rock.
Is he? Alright, good.
They go somewhere, right, to
They
hide?
went to the tornado shelter.
Okay,
Alex's
that's what
mom.
I thought.
Okay.
Yeah, he has somewhere to go.
Good.
I don't see it anymore. Wouldn't it be
No,
like that way?
it went back up.
There it goes.
Is it?
That was power lines.
Yeah, it's gonna be gone
It's above the house.
now. Make sure there's not another one coming.
I know. That's why I was like watching over there.
I literally don't see it anymore.
Ooh. Did you feel your
Downtown
ears?
Noble.
Uh-oh, what was that? Look at north of us.
I
We're
don't
not
know which.
awake. We just spotted a tornado. We could see it. It was